Hi guys, Jamie Lauren here and welcome to my channel. Make sure you guys subscribe, comment, and like. Hey girls, hey, it's your favorite girlfriend here, Jamie Lauren, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my new subbies. Today's video is all about one of my favorite products to use on my face. It's actually a mask. What mask is this? It's the most famous one of all, right? What could that be? It's the Indian Healing Clay. This beauty right here is amazing. It literally has everything that you need right here. But all jokes aside, this is actually amazing, amazing, amazing product. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys a routine here. It's gonna be for my face and my hair. So I'm gonna do it a little different here today. Yes, this mask is so amazing and it's really inexpensive. It's a great mask for your face, but not only is it amazing on your face, it's also amazing on your hair. Have you guys ever had any weigh down on your hair, frizz, just all kind of things going crazy with your hair? This is what you need. I'm telling you now, it does wonders. You're gonna love it. It's called the Indian Clay Mask. You can find it on Amazon. You can find it at a lot of natural stores like Sprouts and Whole Foods. I actually bought this from Urban Outfitters, believe it or not. So they do have it there. It's a little bit more pricey, I believe, at Urban than it would be at Whole Foods or Sprouts. But either way, like I said, it's still actually inexpensive. At Urban, I actually paid $12 for it, and I think I paid maybe $9 or $10 at one of the other stores. But either way, it's under $20, which you can't beat that for what it does. It does miracle work on your face and your hair, okay? All right, so let's go ahead and get right into it. This mask is absolutely a clay. So when you open it up, don't be surprised. It's not a ready-made mask like all the other masks. You take some of the mask, just the amount that you may possibly need on your face or your hair, and take the next item, which is apple cider vinegar. These two right here combined, let me tell you, they do wonders. So make sure you guys have both parts. You're gonna take a little bit of the mask, which is AKA the clay. Make sure that you have a glass container, a glass bowl, anything that isn't plastic. This mask does not do well with any type of plastic. So whenever you're mixing, don't use any plasticware either. That's just my recommendation. I've seen people use it, but I just like to use glass for the container, and then I like to use a metal spoon. I actually need quite a bit today because I'm gonna be using it on my face and my hair. So I'm gonna use more than I normally would. Let's get right into it. So I'm gonna take it. That should do the trick right there. Next step here, put some apple cider vinegar. Remember, this smell is very strong. So if you can get past the smell, believe me, it actually works. I'm gonna add a little bit more. You can basically see what type of consistency it's going to be just after you mix a few times. If it looks like it's too clumpy and you didn't put enough apple cider vinegar, you're more than welcome to add a little bit more. You don't want it to be too watery. So if by chance you happen to add too much, it's not a problem. Don't worry about it. All you do is add a little bit more clay, and just like that, you got the right consistency. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix this up. Almost there, people. And voila, after 3 hours of mixing, just kidding. After a few minutes of mixing, you have the right consistency, as you can see here on the spoon. This is a good consistency right here. It's not too thick, not too watery. It's perfect to go on your face. It's smooth enough to go on your hair. I like to take a washcloth and I like to put nice warm water on it, and I'm gonna put it on my face so that way I can open up my pores, okay? And I'm gonna just put it directly on my face. Once your pores are completely open, it's gonna go ahead and put it directly onto my skin with the spoon. Just like that. I like to use the spoon. You can use your hands if you want to. Ladies, yes, I know it does smell bad. After a couple of times, I swear, you can't even smell it. Just think about all the amazing compliments that you're gonna receive on your beautiful glowing skin once you start doing this regimen. I like to have it on my face at least 2 times a week. If you have sensitive skin, try not to overdo it. I know I have sensitive skin. You have to kind of do trial and error. I don't want to recommend the wrong thing for your skin type, but for my skin type, which is sensitive skin, I want to go ahead and do it maybe 2 times a week. So we're gonna go ahead and put this all over the face once again. Make sure you guys are getting your neck too. This is not really your neck, you know, under your chin. So that's how this looks once your mask is totally completed. Directions on here do say that you want to keep it on for 15 to 20 minutes. I only do the least amount of time because I do have sensitive skin, so I don't want to overdo it. I'm gonna go ahead and start on my hair. So right now, as you can see, my hair is very frizzy and big. This is actually day 4 curls. I just want my curls to be kind of revived and I want them to be brought to life. I decided, hey, why don't I just go ahead and put my mask on my hair so I can try to revamp my curls just a tad bit and give them a little bit more life. If your hair is completely dry like mine, do not want to put on the mask in this state. Make sure you guys wet your hair. If you guys have seen my other videos, you'll know that this is my favorite squirt bottle to use. I say that like in every video because I can't stress that enough. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take my hair down. Make sure you get the entire hair wet. You just want it kind of damp. You don't need it drenched and dripping. Okay, once your hair is nice and damp, you want to make sure that you section off the hair. You can put it up with a clip if you want to. Some in my hand, rub my hands together. I'm literally just going to put it all on my hair. Just like how your face gets stiff from the mask, your hair does too, so don't be alarmed. All right, so you're going to take that. So that section is done. Let me go ahead and take this down here. Wow, this is like so amazing. All right, so now my whole head is completely covered with the mask. My face is like almost ready. I don't recommend keeping this in your hair like too long, 10 to 12 minutes or so. This stuff, it's a beauty. Now we wait 10 more minutes. Now as you wait for your face to finish drying, it's getting really tight. As you can see, my voice is changing because my lips can't really move or my face, but it is getting really tight. I can feel it working already. I love it. My hair is also doing its thing. It's been 15 minutes. My face is literally so stiff from the mask, but I love it. I love it. I can feel it pulsating. That's how you know it's working. Once it's all the way dry, you want to make sure that you take another rag. You can wet it with nice warm water because you want to use that to be able to take the mask off of your face. Again, I recommend using a towel because it is kind of difficult to take off the mask. It dries pretty hard on your face, so you want to have something to kind of gently rub it off. All right guys, and now that I've taken off the mask, washed out the mask out of my hair, I did a little bit of rejuvenation of the skin. I did my daily skin routine, took my time with it, make sure I was nice and moisturized. I am glowing, and if you keep watching and are subscribed, I will be dropping my skincare routine really soon, so keep up with that. Honestly, I can't say this enough that the mask really does wonders. And when I tell you, I can see the definition in my hair. Look at that. It's amazing. It feels amazing. I can't wait to style it for you guys to see. So yeah, I'm gonna take a moment to get myself together so y'all can see the finished look. The key behind the mask is making sure that you have a nice deep conditioner that you use after. I use Aussie's 3-minute Miracle Moist Deep Conditioner. Be right back. And look at that, y'all. Can you guys believe it? I know I can. This is like so much definition. You want to implement this into your wash day, maybe once a month, maybe a couple times a month, depending on your hair texture, but that's up to you to judge. You don't want to overdo it. Of course, products are applied to my hair, and my hair was air dried and diffused, but this is the final product look after the mask was applied and rinsed out. Again, apple cider vinegar, Indian clay mask. Those two will be your best friends for your face and for your hair. So make sure you guys tune in next time, and remember to subscribe, comment, and like, and tell a friend to tell a friend. Until next time, girlfriends.